My only question is to Dollar Tree is when it comes to these two products, right? The hyaluronic acid, body butter, coconut, and tea tree, and also the Maybelline, the Perfector 4-in-1. Why? Look at this. It looked so dark. Could you guys see that? It looks really, really dark. But when you put it on, what in the Houdini? Absolutely love this. Oh my goodness. This stuff is good. Ooh, I like this. So you looking for new items. Honey, I got you. I got you. They have so many new items. Check this out. You know, Dollar Tree is really trying to come for me. You know, I really have that in my mind that they really trying to come for me. Because when they selling stuff like this, Maybelline, did you guys see this? This is the Perfector 4-in-1 medium deep. See if they have one that probably is our shade. Now, I think all of them are pretty much medium deep. Let me see. Yeah, all of these are medium deep from Maybelline. Wait, hold on. Medium deep. Medium deep. I don't know if this gonna be like way too dark. I mean, from the picture, it looked way too dark. Self-adjusting shade, auto-adjustable. All right, let's see how this is. The hyaluronic acid, hydrating body butter, coconut, and tea tree, and also the Maybelline, the Perfector 4-in-1. Why? Now, if you thought that it couldn't get any fancier at Dollar Tree, honey, you were so wrong. Check these items out. We at the Dollar Tree in Bloomfield, New Jersey. They have some amazing items like this. Have you guys seen the flashing? This is so cute. This is the flashing headband skull. Look at this. Really, really gorgeous. Not only do they have this, they have so many new items. Check this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these gorgeous headbands right here. These are $1.50. These are so cute. They also have the spider ones over here as well. These are really, really nice. And then they also have the bad ones up at the top. Really nice. Now, Dollar Tree also have these LED necklaces. These are cute. These lights. Look at this. The pumpkins. They also have the skulls over here. These are $1.50. Really, really cute. She has these trays over here. These glow in the dark. These are $1.50. These are really nice. They also have these little buckets over here. Well, these cups, these are nice. Look at this. $1.50. They also have the little buckets over here that goes with the cups. This is so gorgeous. So they have the pumpkins, and then they also have the bats. Really, really nice. Then they also have these skull trays over here. I remember these from last year. These are $1.50 as well. If you guys are looking for some like candy jar containers, these are $1.50. And I absolutely love these little Halloween baskets right here. These are so Dollar Tree has the solar stake lights over here. Halloween theme, child, with the pumpkins and the skeleton. These are $1.50. They also have these solar stake lights. I don't remember seeing these last year. These are $1.50 as well. Oh, honey, it's the skeleton for me. You get what I'm saying? Really, really cool. All right, so this is definitely new. Dollar Tree has the LED pillar dust glitter candles. Now we had seen the LED pillar candles, but honey, not fancy like this. Okay, this is the dust glitter candle, and you get 3 of these for $5. Now, who remember the Gremlins? Honey, if you don't remember the Gremlins, what are you doing over here? Look at these. The Gremlins. What's his name? Gizmo or something? Absolutely love this when I was a kid. They also have the Celebrate with Hershey Halloween themed socks. These are so gorgeous. And look at Stranger Things. Honey, I done told you guys about Stranger Things. Now, do understand that Dollar Tree has all a Christmas items. Well, not all of them, but they have enough of them out already. Like the foam scatters, 20, the bells. Really, really cute. The mini bows over here. They pretty much, honey, I mean, they are definitely moving their feet to the beat. The confetti, the gem stickers over here, 15 pieces. These are really, really gorgeous. Okay, so you looking for new items. Honey, I got you. I got you. They have so many new items. Check this out. So this is definitely new. So this is the Global Beauty Care Hyaluronic Acid Hydrate and Body Butter with coconut and tea tree. I'm definitely going to get this, honey. All right, this thing act like it don't want to open. All right. All right, Dollar Tree, come on now. You know you got to talk to the stuff. All right, first off top, I can see that it has like a thick consistency. Ooh. Absolutely love this. Oh my goodness. This stuff is good. Ooh, I like this. So, how I rate this, I definitely want to say a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. This is a rich formula. You know, they was in line when they said that. Be on the lookout for the hyaluronic acid Hydrate and Body Butter with coconut and tea tree. The packaging is really the packaging for me. Like, just absolutely fancy. All right. Our next item is this one, self-adjusting shade. What does self-adjusting shade mean? Like, do it means like you put it on your face, and if it's not your color, like it's not adjust to it? I don't know. This is the first time I ever used something that says self-adjusting that I recall. All right, Perfector 4-in-1 whipped matte makeup. Well, I got a feeling that this is going to be like way too light. Like, I just got a feeling that it's going to be way too light. Let's see. All right, honey, wish me luck, girls. All right, wait. What is dark? Let me see. Oh, this is very soft. But look at the way it comes out. Like, the color of it. Look at this. It looks so dark. Could you guys see that? It looks really, really dark. But when you put it on, what in the Houdini? Maybelline. And look at the whip texture. Ooh, I like this. Now this part look a little dry. Ooh, I like this. Highly recommend. This is good, but this is the only shade that I seen that they had. But it says a color corrector. It's a primer, a sealer, a concealer, a powder, BB cream, base corrector. Oh, that's why it says 4 benefits in one. Okay. Blurs pores. Okay. Conceals blemishes. Even skin tone. With light coverage. Apply with fingers or over face. Dang, I should have got probably another one of these. But I had to try it and see, Ooh, Dollar Tree. Honey, I don't know. I used to be one of those girls who say, I don't shop at no Dollar Tree. Too good, And nowadays, I just find myself keep going back, right? 2 amazing items be on the lookout for. The hyaluronic acid and then also the Maybelline. Really, really good. I absolutely love this. They have this snail munching essence, hydrating, brightening, replenishing. All right, this is $1.25. They also have the snail munching moisturizer, hydrating and brightening, but replenishing. Same as that concept. But what really got me was this, the rose quartz shimmering facial serum glowing. Now, they also have the citrine facial cleanser. This is $1.25. Now, these are named after crystals, okay, like the amethyst facial scrub, the jade gel moisturizer. These are $1.25. So many new items. Honey, you better get on down to Dollar Tree. They got all these new items. You hear what I'm saying? So many new items here. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 3-pack skull steaks over here, lights and sound. These are $7. Another item that is really, really cool for the fall and winter is these throw covers. These are now $6. So this is cool. Dollar Tree has a 12-piece crochet hook set, and this is $1.50. In the comments section, what was your favorite item that you guys seen? Mine definitely was the Maybelline makeup that they had. Oh my goodness, that was really, really cute.